Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Noorul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time your answer should match mine because these are the correct answer. Now let's look at the BLIFT. And I believe this is the most important BLIFT of this chapter, which clearly says that you have to identify the common terms relating to books, which are very important because you are opening books of different subjects on daily basis. So you need to understand what are the title pages, what is an author, who is an illustrator, what is the front, what is the back cover, what is the table of content. So every student should know these terms. Got it? So for example, this is a book. You need to understand what is this? What is this one? What is this one? So these are very important. So on the slide, you can see the word anatomy. Anatomy means physical appearance, which means how does the book look like? So you need to learn the terms. If you need to learn it, you will understand it because you are dealing with the books all day long. So what do you mean by the author? The author is a person who writes the book. This is very, very important. An author plays the most important part because he is the one who is writing the book. So the illustrator. Who is illustrator? Illustrator is a person who draws the picture. In few years earlier, there were no AI tools and people used to draw pictures for the books. But now we have a lot of AI tools out there, but still we have illustrators. Illustrator is a person who draws the picture. So what is an author? Who writes the book, who write the book either with a pencil or type it with a keyboard. For example, he writes the monster smile. So what is an illustrator? He draws the picture in the book, paint either with the paint or with the crayons, and he paints a picture of a monster smiling. This is very important. Now what is the front cover? Can you see this book? Yeah, so this is the front cover. Got it? And this is the title and this is the author name, Alex Penman. So when you open the first page, the title page comes right in front of you. Title page is inside the book. Got it? It reopens the title and the creator just like a welcome sign. For example, when you open the cover, the first page says the little blue monster one more time before the story starts. This is very important. Now, what is the table of content? Every book have a table of content which shows the number of chapters and the page number you can find that chapter. This is called table of contents and it has all of the chapters showing on this page which you will be learning in the story. So the back cover, can you see? The back side of the book is called the back cover, and every story at the back, they give you a little summary of that story. You may not find this type of summary at the back of your sciences books, but in a novel, at the back or the back cover, you can find a little summary or a synopsis. Got it? So, this is the most beautiful picture. Can you see? So, what is it shows? It clearly shows the table of content, the front page, the back page, and the title page, which is very important. Now, what you have to do is to open up all of your books in your bag and identify the front and back cover, identify who has written it, who is the illustrator, and the table of content, and then share it with your mate. Mate is the person or a class fellow who is sitting right next to you. Now, to check your understanding of the focus, we have designed this formative check, which is very easy. Do it in the class with the help of your teacher, then go home, do your homework. See you again in the next BLIFT. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.